This is my 2015 STI, and I broke it again. Does not sound good. This is what my road's looking like. It's definitely rough. There's these ruts from the water runoff kind of everywhere. Oh, that sounds so bad. I've been wanting to replace these top hats for a while because they're pretty cracked out on both sides. Now my strut on the passenger side is extremely loud. This is what we got to replace it with. The KYBs. I scooped these up on eBay for a little over 700 bucks. Also got KYB top hat. I found the strut mount, aka top hat, from 60 Auto for about $300. I'm gonna get started on it. First things first, let's jack it up. Go ahead and put some jack stands under here for some extra protection. This one on the passenger side. Nice. All right, let's get these wheels and tires taken off. To get this off, you gotta take off these 19s and then this ABS speed sensor and also this 12 mil on the brake line. This is gonna probably drop a little bit. Now we can unbolt the top. We got 3 nuts up here that are 12 mil. And then one of them I can't really get to with the gun, so I'll do it the old-fashioned way. Before we take off that last one, I'm just gonna grab it so it doesn't fall to the ground. Alright, just like that. Now we get to do the fun part. Pop this cap off, and we need to take that off. Here's what the blown one looks like.
Good job, Daddy.
This is our replacement. Goes on like that. I got the passenger side strut all put together with the new top hat. Then I repeated the whole process on the driver's side. Alright, we got that first one in. And drop that. This top one has a camber to it, and it also has this washer. Might need alignment after. Let's not forget our little brake line. ABS wheel speed sensor. To get to the rear strut mounts, I just folded down my seat, and there's just 2 nuts behind this trunk cover right here. Oh. There, that might help us a little bit more. There we go. And we can't forget this rubber piece right here. Drop our spring on. I would clean this boot, but it's getting late and it is going to get extremely dirty on the way home, so I'm not super worried about it. Try and put it on the way it was on originally, like that. Make sure this rubber is good, and I'll show you how I tighten this because I didn't show you on the other one. You pretty much just put this Allen key in here and you just tighten away. It's kind of barbaric, but gotta do what you gotta do. That one's ready to go in. I put the bottom in first, like how it came out. Sway bar bolt back in. There we go. All right. Once again, I repeated this process on the passenger side rear. Each one took about an hour. All right, just gotta torque it, and then we'll see how this thing drives tomorrow. How tall is this thing gonna be?
It's gonna be great. It's gonna be perfect.
That's way taller.
It's way taller, yeah.
Dude, I like that. It's the next day. Let's go see how this thing's handling. Traction control off here. the sound's definitely gone. It's handling really well. Cam got a little sideways, but yeah, no, that's job well done. Make sure you got your notifications turned on, and we'll see you next time. Peace out.